guys, welcome to another COLORCL review video. So they have just launched 3 new colors in their Siesta Original Edition, which I'm just like so excited to try. Okay, so these new colors are Parrot Green, Ebony Blue, and Rose Pink. And COLORCL designed these contacts in the same way that they designed their other recent release in their Siesta Original Edition, which was the Shadow Gray, Caramel Brown, and Denim Blue. So it's the same design and pattern, it's just different colors, and that's because that's what you, the customers, requested. So when you guys leave reviews on the COLORCL website, the staff does read these reviews, and they do take your feedback into consideration when they're going forward to design new color contact lenses for you guys. You guys especially requested green in this design, so they have come out with Parrot Green. So I'm not wearing any makeup in this review. Here are my natural medium brown eyes. Do keep in mind that if you have a different tone of brown, it might look slightly different on you, these lenses. Let's get right into the specs. The base curve on these is 8.6 millimeters. The diameter is 14.2 millimeters. And the graphic diameter is 13.5 millimeters, which is an average graphic diameter. And it looks as if there is a limbo ring, quite a strong limbo ring designed in these contacts, so it is going to look like it's going to enlarge your eyes. I'm going to throw in some comparisons for you guys, because one of my subscribers requested me to compare these contacts to a few other contacts by COLORCL. So if you guys want comparisons thrown in, and specific comparisons for COLORCL or any other company, please request them. I always write them down. I always put them on my to-do list because they're not difficult to do. And if it can help you guys in any way, I am definitely willing to do that for you guys. These contacts, obviously they're launched today and they have a promotional sale price going on. So usually they are normally $15 US per prescription pair. That lasts you 6 months. But until December 27th, they're going to only be $13.50 US. So you're going to save yourself some money. Also, feel free to use my discount code DANICA10 for additional savings during your shopping. All right, let's get right into the review of these new pairs. Hey guys, so here is the Ebony Blue. I absolutely love this color. I love this color of blue, okay? So it's like more of a darker blue, more of a dreamy, romantic blue. It's definitely not one of those really off-putting, super bright blues. This is more like realistic color blue, I think. And as with these new originals that they are releasing, In the center, it's actually kind of like a sandy brown color to really help with the blending. So it's like sandy brown kind of like on top of the base blue color. And then the pupil hole, I would say, is a normal pupil hole and it's feathered. And then it kind of, after the sandy blue kind of fades out, it's just a really nice deep blue dark limbal ring that isn't, definitely not off-putting at all. It looks quite natural, I think. And it's dark, so you're not going to get the bleeding through from the sclera. You're not going to get any of that. It's really well designed that way. I wish I still had the shadow gray and the denim blue to show you guys. I feel like this is kind of like a hybrid between the two. I don't have them, I lost them. Otherwise, I would have done comparisons for you guys. But I think that this is kind of like a happy medium between the two. And if you really want to see the other colors, I have that review already on my channel. So you can go ahead and search it up and you can kind of get a rough idea of how similar these are to those colors. All right, let's move on to the next pair. Guys, so here is the rose pink. So these are the most pinkest contacts I have ever tried. Usually when I try pink contacts, they're a little bit like brownie pink or actually more fuchsia, more purple pink, but these are actually like legit pink. So if you are looking for a pair of true pink contacts, these are definitely it. It's more so pink around the limbal ring. In the center, it's actually a very light brown color. It's really nicely faded, the pupil hole. I actually really like the brown color in the center. I'm not sure about these contacts. I don't think I would wear these out on a daily basis. I think they're more suited for costume play, honestly. They're more fun. They kind of give you more of like a, honestly, like magical fairy look, or maybe like even like Twilight looking, you know, like vampire-ish, but like the hot vampires, you know, they look like, oh my goodness, with their eyes, you're like, oh. So that's kind of like the vibe I get from these. If you guys have really, really dark brown eyes, these are going to come off a little bit darker on you, so the pink isn't going to be as vibrant. So I just wanted to actually mention that as well. All right, let's go to the last pair. Hey! 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 guys, here is the parrot green. Oh my goodness, I am really impressed with this color. Okay, with this color in particular, you can really see the texture of the design of these contacts. In the center, it's kind of more of like a brownish green, but it actually sort of almost looks like a yellow green because of that, because of the brown and the green mixed together. So it almost looks like it has yellow tones. And then there is so much texture and patterning going on. It's, I think, more designed to mimic your iris. It's kind of got those squiggly streaks, which is what a natural iris has. So there is a lot of patterning, texture, a lot going on, but not too much, okay? It's just enough to make it look like a natural eye. Pupil hole's really well done. I love the color. I absolutely adore the color of this green. It's not just a standard green, because it's multi-dimensional. It has yellows, brown, and the limbo ring I absolutely love. It's light but still very subtle. It still looks very natural, but it still frames your eyes and makes them stand out. And I just love this green. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. I certainly did. And COLORCL is going to be coming out with one more launch that I am aware of just after Christmas. So definitely stay tuned for that. I hope that this review helped you guys out. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!